Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the 7 Kachin ethnic groups: Jingpa, Zaiwa, Lavao, Lakid, Rawang, Nung Lungmi and Lisu. Jingpa speaks 7 dialects: Lana, Lata H Kabra, Dulan, Hikaku, Hitainai, Gori and Maji Malaga. Jingpa is located mostly in the Kachinland as Machanba, Sumprabum, and Jangyang, Mayatkina, Waima, Monian, Mogang, Danai, Bama, and Katha. Zaiwa speaks 2 dialects: origin of Zaiwa and Janshi Zaiwa. They live in some townships in the Kachin land as Waima, Mogang, Mamak, Mansi, and northern Shan state, near the China border. Lavao speaks 7 dialects: Zan Bak, Dagalong, Zagarangmayan, Gayan Not, Htaw Lan, Lakin, Wakak and Laosu. They live in some townships in Kachin state. Kai Phwe, Sao La, Sumprabum, Mayatkina and Waima. Lachit speaks 2 dialects: Lakid, Common, and Ngaw Chong. They live in some townships in Kachin state. Kai Phwe, Mamak, Mayatkina, Waima and Kianing northern Shan state. Rawang and Nunlingmi speak 6 dialects: Matwang, Dang Sar, Lung Mi, Daru, Remel and Malong. They are found in Putao, Makan Ba, Hkawbuda and Sumpra Bum townships. Lisu speaks 3 dialects: origin Lisu, Numal Lisu and Lamay Lisu. They live in Kachin state. Putao, Ka Bud, Kai Phwe, Mogok and eastern Shan state Kiantan. Jingpa is not only the largest number of native speakers but also a common language in Kachin society. These 7 Kachin subgroups maintain a rich heritage, and despite the diversity in language and customs, they share common historical roots.